Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change Pinterest board cover on iPhone. Firstly, make sure you have the application. Now you will be led to this home page. Now at the bottom right, you can see a profile icon. You can tap on that. Now here you can see that I am led to the page where I have created various boards. For this video, I will go for the first one, which is soap. Now all you need to do is long press on the board. And at the second, you can see the pencil icon. You need to tap on that. You will be directly led to this page. And at the bottom, you can see the option board cover. You can tap on that. And now you can choose yourself the board cover. Before, this was my board cover. Now I want to change it to this one. So we will tap on that. After that, you can edit or crop the part that you want to keep. And after that, tap on done. And now if you go back and check, there you can see the board cover has been changed. And this is how easily you can change Pinterest board cover on phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.